Okay guys, Bobby D here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $25 plus, literally in seconds. And this is guaranteed. If you take action and do this, you cannot fail to make money online in what I'm going to show you, okay? It's unbelievable. So keep watching and we're going to go into the method. Now, what am I going to show you in today's video? I'm going to show you exactly where to go, what site you need to go to. I'm going to show you how you can do this constantly throughout the day. There's no waiting. You can do this over and over and over again, and you can earn as much or as little as you want. It's newbie friendly. Anyone can do it, and it works worldwide, guys. This is one of those systems that works anywhere in the world. And like I said, you can do as much or as little work as you want. It is really, really good. Now, before we go on with the method, guys, do me a favour, please. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell. Why? That way you get to see my latest videos first, you get to try them out first, and you get to make money first. And that's what this is all about, making money. Now, I'm also offering you guys some free training. If you go to the comment section below, you'll see it says get my free training here. Just click on that link and that will take you through to 7 videos that I've put together all about making money online. It's how I got started, and if you just follow that and take action, guys, you can make money too. It really is easy when you know how. So let's jump on with the video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and I will be very happy. Cheers, guys. Let's get on with the training. So this is a site that we're going to work off, and I've actually used this before myself a couple of times actually, and it's for employers or workers. And basically, if you're an employer, if you're a worker, employers put jobs on there, really simple jobs. Now, some of them don't pay well, I appreciate that, but some of them do, and the ones that don't pay well, like you can see some examples on here, you know, 20 cents, 10 cents, they take seconds to do. It's sign up. So all it means is you just get an email address that you're never going to use again, and you sign up for their offer and you get 10 cents. It takes 10 seconds. Do that 10 times. That's $1 in your pocket. You get a 75 cent bonus just for signing up. All right. So straight away you're making money. All right. And what I like about this is you can withdraw money via Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Bitcoin, Diners Club, PayPal, Bitcoin, USD coin, Litecoin, Ethereum, JCB. There are loads of ways to withdraw money. So let's have a look here. So these are some of the jobs as a worker people put on. So this one here, sign up 10 cents. Let me just sign in. So that's me signed into the account. So let's have a look at these. So these guys here, visit a web page and engage 4 cents. That's a bit rubbish. Search YouTube, watch and like. So what it shows here, there's 60 positions and 17 have gone, and you get 7 cents. So just go into it. And it says here, go to YouTube and search for download Tweetbox iOS. Click the video with this image, watch the whole video, like the video, and the pinned comment and comment. So that they're asking for quite a lot there. And then what do you need to do for proof? And they'll pay 7 cents. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot of money, but like I said, some of these take literally seconds to do. What's this one here? Download an app. You probably don't want to be doing that. Website click, 2 cents. Probably ain't worth doing that because it's really low. You know, some of them create a Gmail account, 10 cents. Doesn't take long. What's this here? Visit website. Go to that website. Click a recent post. Have a look around and you get paid 2 cents. But, you know, 600 people have nearly done that. There's loads of YouTube stuff on here. If you go here, there's featured small jobs. I mean, that one's 25 cents. Grammarly sign up, gift cards. There's just loads of little stuff on there but it's super, super easy to make money with these methods. Now, the website you want to go to is picoworkers.com, P-I-C-O workers.com. Sign up, it's free. You get 75% cents for just signing up. So straight away you're in the money. All right. Straight away you're in the money. And it's just really, really easy, simple way to make money online. All right. It's a real short video today, guys. And that's it. And the other thing you can do, if you're an employer, you can make jobs. So you can make a job and say something like, you know, visit my YouTube site and like a video, or go to Twitter and like a video, and you can pay people 5, 10, 20 cents. I wouldn't suggest doing it on YouTube because you're just going to get banned. It's not worth it. But, you know, Twitter, you could probably do it, and some other sites. I know people do it all the time. It's not something I do because I don't want to get banned. But this is great if you want to get your SEO up. You know, you could have people visit your website. You know, 100 people at 2 cents is going to cost you, you know, hardly anything. And that helps you get your SEO up. So that's what it's good for, this website. But, you know, it's another one to look at. Instagram follow, that's another good one. That's it. That is Pico Workers. So let me jump onto something else quickly. So there you guys have seen this. This is my YouTube channel. There's the subscribe, guys. Really, really appreciate it if you click that. And on here are hundreds and hundreds of videos on how to make money online, just like I do, okay? Now, I get to review loads of videos, and I don't review a lot of them because they're crap, all right? A lot of sites are rubbish, so I only review the ones that I think work. So anything on here is worth having a look at, and there are hundreds, all right? I've got hundreds of videos on here. I've got affiliate marketing, how to make money using affiliate marketing. I've got how to make money using quick little websites like I've just shown you. Loads and loads and loads of ways. Now this one here, I'm just going to quickly show you this, how to make money on Fiverr fast. This is my own product that I sell called Fiverrlicious. I've sold over 2,500 copies of this, of Fiverrlicious. And it takes you, where is it? I actually clicked the wrong one then. There. It takes you to my sales page where I'm offering something very special today. I normally sell Fiverrlicious. I've sold over 2,500 copies of it for $47. I'm doing it for today for $9.97 for anyone watching this video. Now, what is this about? It's all about how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. I made $6,446.66 using Fiverr. All right, and I never done a gig myself. I outsource everything. So in this video, I'll show you exactly the gigs that I sell, how to outsource it, where to outsource it, how to manage your account, everything you need. Now, this isn't a get-rich scheme. There's 8 videos. This is actually a full-time business. And there are people that I have taught who have gone on to turn this into a full-time business. And you can do it too, guys. It is really easy when you know how. This course shows you everything you need to know to make money online. All right, I'm doing it for $9.97. There's loads of testimonials in there from people who say it works. When you join up, you get access to my secret Facebook group where we all help each other, and you can just read the testimonials on there of people who are making money every single day using this method. All right, it is really good. Fiverr is a massive business. It's one of the biggest businesses out on YouTube. It's one of the biggest businesses in the world, actually. And if you're looking to make money online and you're serious about it, this is probably the best course on the market at the moment around Fiverr. 2,500 people say it is, and I sell 10, 15 copies of this every single day, and it's been out for 6 months. It's absolutely brilliant. Probably the best thing I've put together. All right, and the best bit is I'm doing it today for $9.97, guys. I normally charge $47 for this. So that is Fiverrlicious. Go through the sales page. I won't go through it all for you now. It tells you everything you need to know. If you've got any questions, just put them in the comments below here. Yeah, like my video, click the comments below, leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you pretty much straight away. Okay, guys. So that is it from me. Make sure you go and have a look at picoworkers.com. It's a really good site, super easy way to make money. Then have a look at my Fiverrlicious if you're looking to make a full-time income, and then go and have a look at my website, All right, there are loads and loads of videos on there for you to have a look at and hit that important subscribe. So I appreciate you listening to me, guys. I'm Bobby D from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Like I said, any questions, hit me up and I'll speak to you soon.